Hello everyone, welcome to Premier Math. Today we are going to discuss some important time and work questions based on previous year questions. We will be solving these questions using speed matrix. So let's start our session. Our first question is, A alone can do 2 by 5th of work in 12 days. B is 25% more efficient than A. C alone can do the same work in 12 days less than B. D is 25% less efficient than C. If they all work together, then work will be completed in how many days? Here, A alone can complete 2 by 5th of work in 12 days means 1 by 5th of work in 6 days. Then 1 work in 5 into 6, 30 days. B is 25% more efficient than A. That is, this is efficiency ratio of B by A. B is more efficient than A. So efficiency ratio of B by A. So 25% means 25 by 100 plus 25 by 100, which is plus 1 by 4. Plus 1 by 4 means 5 by 4. That is, efficiency ratio of B and A is 5 by 4. Then we need days ratio of B and A, which is reverse of efficiency ratio 4 by 5. Now here 5 part is given as 30. A can complete the work in 30 days. So 5 part is equal to 30 means 5 into 6 is 30. Then 4 part is equal to 4 into 6, 24. So B can complete a work in 24 days. Now C take 12 days less than B. So 24 minus 12 is 12 days. So C complete the work in 12 days. Now D is 25% less efficient than C. So here this is efficiency ratio of D and C. D is less efficient than C. So D by C ratio. Efficiency of D by C ratio. 25% less than means minus 25 by 100, which is minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 means 4 minus 1 is 3 part divided by 4 part. That is, efficiency ratio of D and C is 3 by 4. D is 25% less efficient than C. Now we need days ratio of D and C, which is equal to reverse of 3 by 4, 4 by 3. Now here C can complete the work. That is, C can complete the work in 12 days means 3 part is equal to 12. 3 into 4 is 12. So 4 into 4 is 16. That is, D can complete the work in 16 days. Now take the LCM of 30, 24, 12 and 16. All are doing the same work, which is equal to LCM is equal to 240. 30 goes 8 times in 240, 24 goes 10 times in 240, 12 goes 20 times in 240, 16 goes 15 times in 240. Now if you add 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 8, 53. So 240 by 53 days. Option 1 is your answer. If all of them work together, they will take 240 by 53 days to complete. A alone can do a work in 14 days. B alone can do the same work in 28 days. C alone can do the same work in 56 days. They start the work together and completed the work such that B was not working on last 2 days and A did not work in last 3 days. In how many days total work was completed? Here A can complete a work in 14 days, B can complete it in 28 days and C can complete it in 56 days. All are doing the same work. Take the LCM. LCM is 56. 14 goes 4 times in 56, 28 goes 2 times in 56, 56 goes 1 time in 56. Total work is 56 and A can complete 4 units in 1 day, B can complete 2 units in 1 day and C can complete 1 unit in 1 day. Here C alone worked for all the days because B was not working on last 2 days. So for the last 2 days B was not working and A did not work in last 3 days. So in last 3 days, A did not work. A did not work for the last 3 days. And in last 2 days, B did not work. Which means in last 2 days, C only worked. C can complete 1 unit in 1 day means in 2 days, C completed 2 units. And in the third last day, B and C worked. So B and C can complete 2 plus 1, 3 units in 1 day. So last third day, B and C completed 3 units. So total 5 units completed in 3 days. So 56 units is the total work. Out of this 56, 5 units completed in 3 days by B and C. So 56 minus 5, 51 unit is the remaining work. So this 51 unit, this 51 unit completed by A, B, C together. Now, A, B and C together can complete 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7 unit of work. So, number of days taken by A, B, C to complete this 56 unit is equal to 51 by 7 plus remaining 5 unit completed in 3 days. So, total 7 into 3, 21 plus 51 is 72 divided by 7 days. Option 4 is your answer. A alone can do a work in 11 days. B alone can do the same work in 22 days. C alone can do the same work in 33 days. They work in the following manner. Day 1 A and B work. Day 2 B and C work. Day 3 C and A work. Day 4 A and B work and so on. In how many days will the work be completed? Here, from 4th day onwards, this 3-day cycle will continue. And here A can do a work in 11 days. B can do it in 22 days and C can do it in 33 days. All are doing the same work. Take the LCM. LCM here is equal to 66. 11 goes 6 times in 66. 22 goes 3 times in 66. 33 goes 2 times in 66. That is, A can complete 6 unit of work in a day. B can complete 3 unit of work in a day. C can complete 2 unit of work in a day. And total work is 66 unit. Here, first day A and B work. So A and B will complete 6 plus 3, total 9 unit of work in 1 day. Second day B and C work. Total 3 plus 2, 5 units will complete in second day. And third day C and A work. Total 6 plus 2, 8 unit will complete in third day. Now, here in fourth day this cycle will continue. So in one cycle, that is in 3 days, total 9 plus 8 plus 5, 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 unit is completed in 3 days. So, the 66 unit is the total work, which will complete in 22 into 3 is 66. So, which will complete in 3 into 3, 9 days. In 9 days, 66 unit of work will complete. That is, total work will complete 9 days. So, option 1 is your answer. A and B can complete a job together in 12.5 days. B and C can complete the same job together in 18.75 days. While C and D complete the same job together in 15 days. In how many days will A, B, C together be able to complete the same job alongside D, who is only 40% as efficient as C? Here, we have to take the LCM of 12.5, 18.75 and 15. So, write it in fraction. A and B complete the job in 12.5 days means 25 by 2 days. B and C complete the job in 18.75 days means 18.75 into 2 is 37.5. 37.5 into 2 is 75. So 75 by 4 days. And C and D complete the job in 15 days. All are doing the same job. Take the LCM. LCM is 75 into 2 is 150. All these 3 goes in 150. 25 goes 6 times in 150. So 25 by 2 goes 6 into 2, 12 times in 150. 75 goes 2 times in 150. So 75 by 4 goes 2 into 4, 8 times in 150. 15 goes 10 times in 150. Total work is 150 unit and efficiency of AB, BC and CA are 12, 8 and 10 respectively. Here we have 2A, 2B and 2C. So 2 times efficiency of AB and C is 12 plus 8 plus 10, 30 unit. Then efficiency of AB and C is 15 unit. Here efficiency of AB is 12 unit means efficiency of C should be 3 units. 12 plus 3 is 15 unit. Now, efficiency of D is 40% of C. 40% is 0.4. So, 0.4 times C is equal to C is 3 units. So, 0.4 into 3 is 1.2 unit is the efficiency of D. Now, time taken by A, B, C and D to complete 150 unit of work is equal to 150 divided by total efficiency of ABCD, which is equal to 15 plus 1.2, 16.2. Now, 6 goes 2 times in 12, remaining 4. So, 6 goes 7 times in 4.2. 6 goes 2 times in 12, 5 times in 30. So, 25 by 2.7 means 250 divided by 27. 27 goes 10 times in 270. So, 9 times in 250. 27 into 10 is 270. 270 minus 27 is equal to 243. So, remaining is equal to 243 plus 7 is 250. So 7 divided by 27. A and B can complete a work together in 48 days. A is 4 times as work efficient as B. In how many days can B alone complete the work? Here A and B together complete the work in 48 days. And A is 4 times as work efficient as B means A's efficiency is 4 unit, then B's efficiency is 1 unit. So total efficiency of A and B is equal to 4 plus 1, 5 unit, which means in one day A and B together complete 5 unit of work. Then in 48 days A and B together complete 48 into 5 unit of work, which is equal to 40 into 5, 200, 8 into 5, 40. So 240 unit of work is the total work completed by A and B. Then here if B alone have to complete this 240 unit of work in 240 days. So option 3 is your answer, because B's efficiency is 1 unit. Efficiency of B is 1 unit means time taken by B to complete the work is equal to 2. A can do 1 by 4 part of work in 9 days. B can do 2 by 3 part of the same work in 28 days. Working together in how many days can A and B complete the whole work? Here A can complete 1 by 4 part in 9 days means 1 part in 4 into 9, 36 days. Same way B can complete 2 by 3 part in 28 days means 1 by 3 part in 14 days. Then 1 part in 3 into 14, 30 plus 12, 42 days. Both are doing the same work. Take the LCM. 6 into 6 is 36 and 6 into 7 is 42. Now take 1 6 from here. Here you have 6 into 7. That is 36 into 7 is the LCM. 36 goes 7 times in LCM. 42 goes 6 times in LCM. A can complete 7 unit of work in one day. B can complete 6 unit of work in one day. And total work is equal to 36 into 7. 36 into 7 is equal to 210 plus 42, 252 unit. So number of days taken by A and B to complete this 252 unit of work is equal to, in one day A and B complete 7 plus 6, 13 unit of work. So 252 unit will complete in 252 by 13 days. So option 2 is your answer. P can finish a work in 18 days. When he had worked for 5 days, Q joined him. If both of them together completed the remaining work in 13 by 5 days, then in how many days can Q alone finish 66 and 2 by 3% of the same work? Here P can finish a work in 18 days means consider total work as 18 unit. That is, total work is a multiple of 18. So consider it as 18 unit. Now, this 18 unit completed in 18 days means efficiency of P here is 1 unit. And P worked for 5 days. Then remaining work is equal to 18 minus 5, 13 unit. And this 13 unit remaining work completed by P and Q together in 13 by 5 days. So, this is 13 unit work completed by P and Q in 13 by 5 days means work by efficiency will give you total number of days. So here this is work by efficiency ratio, and here P plus Q is the efficiency of P and Q, and efficiency of P is 1 means efficiency of Q must be 4 here. So from this we got efficiency of Q as 4 unit. Now we have to find in how many days Q alone finished 66 and 2 by 3% of same work. 66 and 2 by 3% work means 200 by 3%, which is 2 by 3rd work. Now 2 by 3rd of the total work means 2 by 3rd of 18, which is equal to 12 unit. Here 4 unit completed in one day. Efficiency of Q is 4 unit means in one day 4 unit of work is completed. So this 12 unit, that is 2 by 3rd of work completed in 3 days. 4 into 3 is 12, which means 1 into 3 is 3. So 12 unit work, that is 2 by 3rd completed in 3 days. So option PQR can finish a work in 5 days, 10 days and 15 days respectively working alone. P and Q work on first day, P and R work on second day, P and Q works on third day and so on till the work is completed. In how many days work will be completed? Here PQR can complete a work in 5 days, 10 days and 15 days respectively. Now all are doing the same work. Take the LCM. LCM is 30. 5 goes 6 times in 30. 10 goes 3 times in 30, 15 goes 2 times in 30. Total work is 30 unit and P can complete 6 unit in one day. Q can complete 3 unit of work in one day. R can complete 2 unit of work in one day. And here P works daily and Q and R works alternatively. That is P plus Q work on first day and P and R work on second day. Again P plus Q work on third day and so on. So here P plus Q together complete 6 plus 3, 9 unit of work in first day. P plus R complete 6 plus 2, 8 unit of work in second day. Again P plus Q complete 9 unit of work in third day. Here total work is 30 unit. So in 3 days work completed is equal to 18 plus 8, 26 unit. So remaining work is 4 unit. Total work is 30 unit. Remaining work 4 unit completed in 4 by 8 days because P plus R can complete 8 unit of work in. P plus R can complete 6 plus 2, 8 unit of work in one day. So 4 unit will be completed in 4 by 8 days which is equal to 1 by 2 days. So total days is equal to 3 days plus half day. Option 3 is your answer. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 24 minutes respectively, while third pipe C can empty full tank in 32 minutes. All the 3 pipes are opened simultaneously. However, pipe C closed 2 minutes before the tank is filled. In how much time will the tank be full? Here A can fill the tank in 12 minutes. Filling means plus. B can fill the tank in 24 minutes. C can empty the tank in 32 minutes. Emptying means minus. Take the LCM. LCM is 96. 12 goes 8 times in 96. 24 goes 4 times in 96. 32 goes 3 times in 96. This is plus 8, plus 4 and minus 3. That is total capacity of tank is 96 unit. A can fill 8 unit in 1 minute. B can fill 4 unit in 1 minute. C can empty 3 unit in 1 minute. Now in the last 2 minutes only A and B open. C closed. So in the last 2 minutes, A and B together fill. In 1 minute, A and B together fill 8 plus 4, 12 unit. Then in 2 minutes, 12 into 2, 24 unit is filled by A and B in the last 2 minutes. So remaining capacity is 96 minus 24. 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, 72 unit. So the 72 unit filled while all these 3 opened. That is, when all these 3 pipes opened, 72 unit is filled. So, in 1 minute, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 minus 3, 9 unit is filled by A, B and C. So, the 72 unit is filled by A, B and C in 72 by 9. 9 goes 8 times in 72 in 8 minutes. So, the 72 unit filled by A, B and C together in 8 minutes. So total time taken is equal to 8 plus 2, 10 minutes to fill 96 unit. So option 2 is your answer. That is, in 1 minute, A plus B minus C filled 8 plus 4 minus 4 men and 6 boys can do a work in 8 days and 6 men and 4 boys can do the same work in 7 days. In how many days will 5 men and 4 boys take to do the same work? Here 4 men and 6 boys can do a work in 8 days. Now the same work can be done by 6 men and 4 boys in 7 days. And in how many days 5 men and 4 boys will do the same work? Now equate the first 2 equations. Here 6 into 8, 48. 48 boys minus here 4 into 7, 28. So 48 minus 28 boys equal to 20 boys, which is equal to here 6 into 7 is 42 men. 4 into 8 is 32 men. 42 men minus 32 men is equal to 10 men, which means Here 1 man is equal to 2 boy. That is men by boy efficiency is equal to 2:1. That is men can complete 2 unit of work in a day, boy can complete 1 unit of work in a day. Now apply this in first equation and find the total work. Total work is equal to 4 into 2, 8 plus 6 into 1, 6. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So 14 into 8 is the total work here. Now if total work is 14 into 8, this 14 into 8 can be completed by 5 men and 4 boys in D days. Now 5 men can complete 5 into 2, 10 unit of work, plus 4 boys can complete 4 into 1, 4 unit of work in D days. That is here 10 plus 4, 14, and here also 14. So 14 into 8 is equal to 14 into D. So D is equal to 8 here. So number of days is equal to 8 days. Option 2 is your answer. A tire has 3 punctures. First puncture alone would have made the tire flat in 9 minutes. Second alone would have done it in 18 minutes. Third alone would have done it in 6 minutes. If the air leaks out at a constant rate, then how long in minutes does it take for all the punctures together to make it flat? Here, first puncture take 9 minutes to make the tire flat. Second puncture take 18 minutes to make the tire flat. Third puncture takes 6 minutes to make the tire flat. Now all are doing the same work. Take the LCM. LCM is equal to 18. LCM 18 means 18 is the total work here. So 9 goes 2 times in 18. 18 goes 1 time in 18. 6 goes 3 times in 18. The meaning of this diagram is 18 unit is the total work and efficiency of first puncture 2, second puncture 1, third puncture 3. Means that first puncture can complete 2 unit of work in a minute. Second puncture can complete 1 unit of work in a minute. Third puncture can complete 3 unit of work in a minute. Now time taken by all these 3 punctures together to make the tire flat is equal to total work is 18. Now efficiency of these 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 6. So 3 minutes. Option 4 is your answer. 14 men can complete a work in 15 days. If 21 men are employed, then in how many days will they complete the same work? Here work is same. 14 men can complete a work in 15 days. Then 21 men can complete the same work in D number of days. Here 7 goes 2 times in 14, 7 goes 3 times in 21, 3 goes 5 times in 50. So number of days is equal to 5 into 2, 10 days. So option 1 is your answer. Here we are using the formula M1D1 by W1 is equal to M2D2 by W2. Here W1 and W2 are equal, so cancel each other. A man, woman and a boy can complete a work in 3, 4 and 12 days respectively. How many boys must assist 1 man, 1 woman to complete the same work in 1 day? Here work is same and a man, woman and boy can complete work in 3 days, 4 days and 12 days respectively. Now work is same, take the LCM of 3, 4, 12. LCM is equal to 12, which means total work is equal to 12 unit. And 3 goes 4 times in 12, 4 goes 3 times in 12, 12 goes 1 time in 12, which means here man can complete 4 unit of work in a day, woman can complete 3 unit of work in a day, boy can complete 1 unit of work in a day. Total work is 12 unit means here we have to find how many boys must assist 1 man and 1 woman. How many boys must assist 1 man and 1 woman to complete the same work in 1 day. So total work is equal to 12 unit. Now we have to find number of boys. Total number of boys who must assist this woman and men to complete this 12 unit of work in a day. Here woman and man complete 4 plus 3, total 7 unit of work in a day. Now 12 minus 7, remaining is 5 unit of work and a boy can complete 1 unit of work in 1 day. So 5 boys must assist 1 man and 1 woman to complete this 12 unit of work in a day. Because one boy can complete 1 unit of work in a day, which means 5 boys can complete 5 unit of remaining work, because woman and man complete 7 unit of work. So 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 unit. This 5 unit is completed by 5 boys. So option 1 is your answer. A and B working alone can complete a work in 8 days and 12 days respectively. They started working together, but A left 2 days before the completion of the work. In how many days was the work completed? Here, A can complete a work in 8 days, B can complete it in 12 days. Both are doing the same work, so take the LCM. LCM is 24, 8 goes 3 times in 24, 12 goes 2 times in 24. Meaning of this diagram is 24 unit is the total work. A can complete 3 unit of work in a day, B can complete 2 unit of work in a day. Now, total work is 24 unit means, here A left 2 days before the completion of the work, which means in 2 days B alone work. So B complete 2 unit of work in a day. So in 2 days, 2 into 2, 4 unit of work he completed, which means remaining work is 24 4, which is completed by, this 20 unit is completed by both A and B. That is 3 plus 2, 5 unit of work will completed by A and B in 1 day. So in D days, they will complete 20 unit, which means D is equal to 20 by 5, 4 days. So total number of days is equal to 4 plus 2, 6 days. That is in 6 days, 24 unit completed. Option 1 is your answer. A can complete 25% of work in 15 days. If he works for 15 days and B alone finishes the remaining work in 30 days. In how many days A and B working together finish 50% of the same work? Here 25% means 1 by 4th of the work. So 1 by 4th of the work finished by A in 15 days. Then A can finish a work in 15 into 4, 60 days. Now remaining work means 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4th of the work. 3 by 4th of the work finished by B in 30 days. Which means B can finish a work in 40 days. That is 3 goes 10 times in 30. So 1 work will finish in 40 days. Now take the LCM. LCM is equal to 120. 60 goes 2 times in 120. 40 goes 3 times in 120. Total work is 120 unit. And A can finish 2 unit of work in a day. B can finish 3 unit of work in a day. That is, work finished by A and B in 1 day is 2 plus 3, 5 unit. Now we need 50% of the work. So 50% of work is equal to 60 unit, half of 120. And in 1 day, A and B can finish 5 unit of work. So total number of days to finish 60 unit of work is equal to 60 by 5, 12 days. Option 3 is your answer. A can do a certain work in 15 days, while B can do the same work in 21 days. If they work together, then in how many days will the same work be completed? Here A can complete a work in 15 days, B can complete it in 21 days. Both are doing the same work, take the LCM. 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 7 is 21. So 7 into 5 into 3 is 105 is LCM. 15 goes 7 times in 105, 21 goes 5 times in 105. Total work is 105 unit. A can complete 7 unit of work in a day, B can complete 5 unit of work in a day. So if they work together, A and B together can complete 7 plus 5, 12 unit of work in a day. So 105 unit will complete in 105 by 12 days. 3 goes 4 times in 12, 3 goes 3 times in 9, 3 goes 5 times in 15. Now 4 goes 8 times in 32, remaining 3. So 8 and 3 by 4, option 4 is your answer. A can finish a piece of work in 48 days and B can finish it in 60 days. They work together for 12 days and then A goes away. In how much time in days and hours will B finish 25% of the remaining work? Here A can finish a job in 48 days and B can finish a job in 60 days. Now both are finishing the same job, so take the LCM. LCM of 48 and 60 is 12 into 4 is 48, 12 into 5 is 60. So 12 into 5 into 4 is 240. Now 48 goes 5 times in 240, 60 goes 4 times in 240. Which means 240 unit is the total work. Now A can finish 5 units of work in a day and B can finish 4 units of work in a day. And here they work together for 12 days. That is A and B work together for 12 days. In 12 days, they can finish, in one day, A and B can finish 5 plus 4, 9 units of work. So in 12 days, they can finish 12 into 9, 108 units of work. That is A and B together. When they work together, in 12 days, they finish 108 units of work. So remaining work is equal to total work 240 minus 108, which is equal to 132 unit. So here remaining work is equal to 132 unit. But here question says in how much time we will finish 25% of remaining work. So 25% of remaining work is equal to 1 by 4 of 132, which is equal to 4 goes 3 times in 12, 4 goes 3 times in 12, 33 unit of work. So we have to find in how much time B alone will finish 25% of work, that is 33 unit of work. Here B can finish 4 unit of work in a day. So 33 unit will finish by B in 33 by 4 days. That is 33 by 4 means, which is equal to 4 goes 8 times in 32, remaining 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 days means 6 hours. 8 days and 6 hours. So here answer is option 4. 1 by 4 days means 24 by 4 hours, which is equal to 6 hours. A, B and C can do a work in 8, 10 and 12 days respectively. After completing the work together, they receive rupees 5,550. What is the share of B in the amount received? Here, ABC can do a work in 8, 10 and 12 days respectively. All are doing the same work. Take the LCM. LCM is 120. 8 goes 15 times in 120. 10 goes 12 times in 120. 12 goes 10 times in 120. Now, we need share of B. Here efficiency of B is 12 units. So B's share is equal to 12 unit out of total efficiency is 15 plus 12 plus 10, that is 37. That is all 3 people efficiency is 37. Now 12 by 37 into amount received is equal to 5,550. Now don't approximate the value. We have two values, nearer values. 37 goes 1 time in 55, remaining 18. So 37 goes 5 times in 185, remaining 0. So 150 into 12 is equal to 1800. Option 3 is your answer. 5 men and 2 boys can do in 30 days as much work as for 7 men and 10 boys can do in 15 days. How many boys should join 40 men to do the same work in 4 days? Here 5 men and 2 boys can complete a work in 30 days. Now the same work can be done by 7 men and 10 boys in 15 days. Now the same work can be done by 40 men and some number of boys. I'll take it as n number of boys in 4 days. Here this is like m1 d1 by w1 is equal to m2 d2 by w2. Men into number of days divided by total work. Here work is same, so denominator cancelled each other. Now I'll take these two equations first. 15 goes 2 times in 30. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 men minus 7 men is equal to 3 men. 3 men is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So 3 men is equal to 6 boys means 1 man is equal to 2 boys. That means men by boys efficiency ratio is 2:1. That is men can complete 2 units of work in a day. Boy can complete 1 unit of work in a day. Now find the total work. Total work here is equal to, for 30 days, 5 men complete 5 into 2 unit of work in a day plus 2 boys complete 2 into 1 unit of work in a day. So this is equal to 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 12 into 30 is 360 unit. So this 360 unit of work is completed by 40 men and n number of boys in 4 days. That is 40 men complete 40 into 2 unit of work and n number of boys complete n into 1 unit of work for 4 days. That is 40 into 2 is 80, 80 into 4 is 320. 360 minus 320 is equal to 40. So 40 is equal to 4 into n, 4n. Which means number of boys is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 here. So option 1 is your answer. Person A can do 1/5 of the work in 3 days, while B's efficiency is half of that of A. In how many days A and B working together can do half of the work? Here 1/5 of the work completed by A in 3 days means A can complete one full work in 5 into 3, 15 days. Now B's efficiency is half of that of A means B takes double the time of A to complete the same work. That is B take 15 into 2, 30 days to complete the same work. Now both are doing the same work, take the LCM. LCM is 30. 15 goes 2 times in 30, 30 goes 1 time in 30. That is total work is 30 unit and A can complete 2 unit of work in a day, B can complete 1 unit of work in a day. Which means A and B together can complete half of the work, that is 15 unit in 15 by 3 days, that is in 5 days. Because in 1 day A and B can complete 2 plus 1, 3 unit of work. So 15 unit of work will completed in 15 by 3, 5 days. Option 4 is your answer. XYZ can do a piece of work in 46 days, 92 days and 23 days respectively. X started the work, Y joined him after 2 days. If Z joined them after 8 days from the beginning, then for how many days did X work? Here XYZ can complete a work in 46 days, 92 days and 23 days. All are doing the same work. Take the LCM. LCM is equal to 92. 46 goes 2 times in 92. 92 goes 1 time in 92. 23 goes 4 times in 92. That is total work is 92 unit. X can complete 2 unit of work in a day. Y can complete 1 unit of work in a day. Z can complete 4 unit of work in a day. Now find the work completed in 8 days because Z joined them after 8 days. So here X can complete 2 unit of work in a day means in 8 days he will complete 8 into 2, 16 unit of work because X started the work. Now Y joined him after 2 days. That is Y worked for 6 days. Now Y can complete 1 unit of work in a day means in 6 days he will complete 6 unit of work. Total work completed is equal to 16 plus 6, 24 unit. So remaining work is equal to 92 minus 24 unit, which is equal to 92 minus 20, 72, 72 minus 4, 68 unit work. So remaining work is equal to 68 unit, which should completed by X, Y and Z. That is, in 1 day, X, Y and Z can complete 3 plus 4, 7 unit of work. So remaining work 68 will completed in 68 by 7 days, which is equal to 7 goes 9 times in 63, remaining 5. So 9, 5 by 7. This is around 10 days. So X should work 10 plus initial days he worked is 8 days. 10 plus 8, 18. Option 3 is your answer.